A hem folds an edge over itself. Hems typically hide sharp edges, reinforce a flange, or improve the edge appearance. Start a new hem feature. Select an edge. Click the opposite direction toggle to flip the hem if required. In the hem type field, a straight hem, typically called a closed hem, folds the flange 180 degrees. Input an inner radius or check flattened to apply the sheet metal model minimal gap distance between the hem and face of the selected edge. Input a total length. Total length measures the hem length from the outermost edge to the end. Select a hem alignment. Outer aligns the edge selected to the hem bend. In place moves the hem bend above the selected edge. The corner type field specifies what type of corner to form when hems come together. Simple creates a straight cut between hems in a flat pattern. Closed closes the corner as much as possible, resulting in a more complex cut in the flat pattern. A rolled hem type folds the flange over itself with an angle greater than 180 degrees. Input an inner radius and angle. Angle determines how far the hem extends toward the flange. The other fields remain the same. The teardrop hem type incorporates a bend angle greater than 180 degrees with a flange. Input an inner radius and gap distance or check Use minimal gap. The other fields remain the same, except when finished.